Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to thank everybody for watching my channel and all your support. I'm trying to hit 5,000 subscribers by March 1st. So if you can, please like and subscribe to my channel. But the reason for this video is I want to know what is the biggest GMB challenge you have right now, and also, the second thing is, what are your business goals for 2021, right? So, a lot of times what I like to do is I like to take a calendar and I like to just break my goals up throughout the month so I know if I'm on target to make that, business goal, whether it be clients or helping people or amount of money made, you know. So that's one of the things that I do. But, what is your biggest goal for 2021? We're still in January. What is it something that you want to do? Do you want to be found in the 3-pack for more keywords? Do you want your videos to show up? Do you want to create a YouTube channel? But one of the other things that's very tough sometimes is tackling this whole GMB thing. And I know you're watching my channel and you're watching other great channels like Ruan Marino and Chris Palmer, and they're great teachers. Those two guys are, really good teachers, and you can learn a lot from them. But sometimes putting it all together sometimes could be tough, So, what GMB challenges are you having? And if you want, you could text it over to me. My cell number is 813-816-1594. Feel free, just shoot me a text and let me know the answer to those questions. Maybe I could help you out. Maybe I could help you out. So feel free, you got my cell number. Shoot me over a text. Sometimes I don't answer the phone all the time, kind of busy, but never too busy to answer a text. Feel free, just shoot me over a text. And let me know how I could help you. All right, guys. So everybody have a good day, and we'll catch you later on.